relevance ng any piece of music, no, is historically bound or time bound, meaning the artist charism is to capture the ethos of his people, no? At a particular moment in their history, no? So yung pinakamalalim natin mga mithiin, mga pangarap, kung sino tayo, the artists are the ones who are able to capture that that intangible essence of being Filipino. So there are artists like Joey Velasco, yung painter ng Kapag. He's one of the most famous visual artists now, no? Because he's able to capture our religious sentiment visually. I'm one of the liturgical composers, meaning we try to express the faith of our people in our language and in musical genre that people can identify with. But the music we make, which has been embraced by my generation and by your generation also somehow, will only have its productivity, no, which is limited. Later on, younger people will not be able to identify with my music. They will say, pang matanda yan. O ang bagal. And eventually, their younger musicians will have to come forth to be able, again, to express the sentiments and thoughts of your generation or their generation in a musical mode that is appealing to them. And therefore, tanggap ko na our music will be sung for one generation or two, but later on, other composers will come in. Kasi that's the reason we began writing music, because the liturgical music we were singing, we could no longer identify with. Kasi malakundiman, no? Ay, panahon pa yan ng mga lolo't lola natin nung gera, no? Hindi na takuma sa amin, no? So that's why we wrote I Will Sing or Humayong Ihayag to reach out to a different generation. But even when I taught sa Xavier School, no, noong 92 to 93, sabi ng mga estudyante ko, brother, ay di pa ako ordained. Bakit kanta nyo? Boring, ang bagal-bagal. So ibig sabihin, my songs were no longer communicating to them as effectively as they did to our generation. And with the advent of Pinoy alternative rock music, ibang-iba ang genre nila. Kahit sa mabibilis naming kanta, sabihin nila, ay, ano yan, panahon ng 80s, mga swing out sisters. Even when we try to jazz up or gawing upbeat yung kanta namin, kasi lalabas pa rin yung generation namin. Ay, mga swing out sisters yan, tipo, mga Manhattan Transfer. Hindi naman yan tunog panahon namin. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na as effective in communicating. And therefore, evangelization will have to be sensitive to the culture of its target audience. So, liturgical musicians who evangelize through a religious song will also have to adapt to the culture of their target